Do you feel stuck in your current job? Wondering if there's a way out? Meet your new opportunity, the Legacy Builders Program. Imagine earning $900 or more daily, all while gaining freedom and flexibility. This isn't just another course, it's a live, interactive program. Get live coaching, real-time guidance, and a thriving community at your side. Picture thousands like you creating passive income streams effortlessly. Now, let's explore 3 game-changing benefits. First, you keep 100% of your profits. That's right, no hidden fees or commissions taken from your sales. Second, this system is beginner-friendly, no prior tech skills are required. Finally, with just 2 hours of work daily, you can manage this from anywhere in the world. What sets this program apart? It offers lifetime licensing to sell 4 proven digital programs. You gain instant authority and credibility in the market. Are you ready to transform your life? Click the link below and take that first step towards financial freedom. Imagine the possibilities when you join over 50,000 plus members making their dreams a reality. Enroll today and change your future. You deserve this. How would an extra $900 per day change your life? Think about that as you make this decision. Your path to freedom starts today. Click below, your future self will thank you.